Anthony, use the pedals. He doesn't want to use the pedals. I've been trying that.
Put your feet on the pedal. Pedal. Look. On the pedals like this. Okay, now push. 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 Push at your feet. Push at your feet. Push at your feet. Push at your feet. Push. 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 See how much better? Good. On the pedal. That's why they have the one with the big stick, so you don't have to bend down. Yeah, you take the easy way out. Don't run through those sneakers like you did. I used to go through a pair of sneakers a week. You remember with the Hot Wheel? I bought the cheapest ones I could get. Yeah, come on, get up the whole stroke.
All right, here we go through the brush. Is he going to be okay? He's not going to go on the street, no? Okay.
It's grass there. Okay, going down the hill, please.
Ooh, spider web.
Hold on. Hold on. Hold on. Okay, now. Now pedal. Make it go fast. Rosie's gonna go through those sneakers with that bike.
Oh, yeah, I know.